Where I see the biggest opportunities in universities for UAS or unmanned systems programs is really exposing students to a whole nother level of technology.
The biggest limitation in Arctic ecology is that gap between traditional ways of collecting data like satellite imagery and ground-based data collection. The strength of satellites is that they can cover large extents across the globe, but the spatial grain is really low, so sometimes the pixels are the size of large cities, and we really need that fine detail on the ground. Using drones is really filling that gap, allowing us to collect a lot of data that cover a large area in a short amount of time. We can really extract valuable scientific information from them to gain a better understanding of how things are changing and how ecosystems are responding to global climate change. Now that we're using the Trinity F90+, one of the biggest capacities of the system is that it's a VTOL system, so we can basically land and take off anywhere. Whereas before that was a big limiting factor. You would sometimes need a landing strip or areas that are dry, but with this system we're able to really just get up and go whenever we need to. There's a lot of opportunity there, especially with new payloads coming out, like LiDAR sensors that we can attach to this same system, thermal sensors that we can also attach to the system. There's really a lot of opportunity there in the future to collaborate with other agencies, other research groups or universities to kind of answer some more pressing and important scientific questions.
Anybody can fly a drone, but it's what you do with the data after you get it that's important. The software and development of software in the future is going to be huge as to what we can truly do with the data that you gather on a drone.